Christmas is over, we're in the new year. So let's take down the tree. It did its purpose. So it must go now. You don't want to come here because I'm recording. You gotta show people your business. Going here, the decorations. Let me tell you one thing, it's nice to put it in, but it's not so great to take it out. It's just a lot of work, which I've been avoiding all these years, but it is what it is. In fact, I think I should be getting, this was really cute though, I must say. This was really I won't put them individually. I will just, because I saved the boxes for the ornaments, but I think I'll just put them in this bag and they'll be pretty okay, right? Stay tucked away somewhere for next December. I think they'll survive. I don't have to put them in like the packets again. Yeah. If not, then we'll have to buy new ones. It is what it is. Alright, so this is nicely rolled up. So this costed me a bit of change, so I'm going to roll it up nicely. Alright, so we got that in. And then, yes. Oh, our star art. This was like so beautiful. I love this star. And it was battery operated, so that was pretty good. Get the star in. And then we start with all these little trinkets. They must go. Here's the job. It's no longer a season to be jolly. It's a brand new year. No decorations anymore. What you guys think about my black tree? I really liked it because I thought it was so different. I've ever seen. So yeah, black tree was, and black tree it shall be. I think it's really easy to put it out to be honest, because you're just putting stuff, you're not even thinking strategically where to put them. So I think this is like an easier way. These are cute and they even ring. This is a nice little cross. Alright, here I'm just showing you the different ornaments, trying to add some music, but the music does not want to be added on. Let's see if it gets added on towards the end of this video. I'm almost done, y'all. Just another couple of minutes, just taking down the tree with you. Thank you for joining me. I enjoyed being with you. With my ornaments for the first time in America, so I'm gonna get more as time goes on and fill up this tree even more next year, so we'll have even more ornaments. So this is really nice little tea or whatever. Pull it all out. And when I ordered these, I didn't realize how tiny they were. See, ordering online, you're looking for something like this, you get this. This is also a nice one, little snowflake. Last but not least, the first ornament that went on the tree was the angel. Mwah. Did a good job.
disappointed me because I thought they were going to be much brighter. I bought like the longest one I could find, and I guess I didn't read the instructions how they light up or the reviews because I of course bought online, and they were not like the greatest. Okay, so I was kind of disappointed with that. See, what I can do is also take this out. This will help. Yeah, it does divide up. It divides up. Let me sort this out separately. There goes the Christmas tree. It served its purpose. Now it's time for it to go and rest until next month. That's why I refuse to buy, like, especially now, there's my little ornament left. I refuse to buy like a live one. When I say now, especially now that, you know, I'm still hustling my way to financial freedom, because it's just a matter of a week, you know, I mean, not a week, sorry, a month of decoration, you know, of the tree, and basically, it does its purpose only for a month, and that's it. So then what happens? Now we're throwing these trees out. Well, I guess if you can afford it, it's not a train smash, but I'm not buying no live tree right now. I won't say never, because, you know, circumstances change, preferences change. But for now, with the black tree, see what I have. I know I'm doing a terrible job with these lights, but I'll figure it out. Figure it out. I'm trying to get this done as quickly as I can. Take them off, as many of them. So, yep. Get this out of the way. Doing a terrible job with these guys. Oh, I didn't know this came out. Okay, so this comes out and we fold it nicely like that. The best thing about these artificial trees, no mess. No mess. This one can go in here. What more can I ask for? No mess. I can do this with the leaves or the branches and no mess. So I'll stick to my fake one. I'll stick to the fake one. Not a problem. So, yeah, so that's all of the second branches. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm doing all this with the lights being turned on. That's very dangerous. Okay, so close that one down. You're going to put that one away. And as you can see, that's the remainder of the lights, but we did a good job. Thank you for staying with me while we're taking down this tree. Till next year, next Christmas. Bye-bye.